Meaning of economics.
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 Economics. Economics is the study of how societies allocate scarce resources among competing wants and needs. It involves analyzing the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Through the study of economics, we can understand how markets function, how prices are determined, and how economic policies impact society. Economists use mathematical models and statistical analysis to examine these factors and make predictions about future economic trends. By understanding economics, individuals and societies can make informed decisions about how to allocate resources and improve overall well-being.